Hey you guys, it's your girl Tanel and I'm back with another protective style tutorial. This time it's featuring box braids, crochet method. So if you would like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. So the hair that I'll be using is by Beshe. It's their pre-looped crochet big box braids. It's the 3-time pack, which means it has 3 bundles in it. I got it in the color 1B. It ran me about $10 per pack, and I got about, I think, 3 or 4 packs. The braids come pre-looped and also tapered at the end, so you don't have to worry about that. The braids are nicely formed, and I love this hair. It's very affordable, and it got the job done. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. So this is my braiding pattern for this install. As you notice that I have these single braidlets in the front and the back and surrounding the perimeter of my hair, and then cornrows going straight to the back. Now for the back method, the braids, the tail ends of the braids I tuck under and I crocheted it together, as you can see right here. As you guys can see, I already started the back portion of my hair, so I'm just going to simply begin the install. So just like any other crochet hair, you're going to take a latch hook or a crochet needle. Please don't come for me in the comment section. It's named either one. It's the tool that you use to crochet hair in. So as you can simply see, I just slide the crochet needle through the braid, open it up, install the pre-loop braid, pull through, attach the tail end of the braid, and slide through the knot and pull together. And that's it. Just simple, really fast. The middle section probably took me about 20, not even, maybe it's about 20 minutes to complete the install. So I'm going to slow it down so you guys can see a little bit better. So you insert the latch hook, install the braid through the pre-looped hair, attach the tail end to the latch hook, close it back up, and slide it through until it becomes tight. And that's it. Now for the single braids in the front and the back, you're going to insert the crochet needle through the base of your braid, install the pre-loop part of the braid just like we did in the middle section, install the tail, close the latch hook back up and pull through. Now as you're pulling through, you want to make sure you grab your braid and pull through so your braid can be in the center of the pre-braided piece, if that makes any sense. And then once that is completed, I'm simply going to crochet my braided hair into the braided crochet piece. As you can see, I am taking the needle, sliding it through the pre-braided crochet piece and sliding my braided hair through it until I get all the way to the end. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it is fully installed. I used all 3 packs to complete this look. I might have had like 5 braids left, but as you can see in the back, the braids are undetectable. In the front, it looks very natural because I did the single braid method and crocheted my hair into the braids, and it looks like I got actually box braids. Now you guys, do not do this. I added mousse to my hair to lay the fuzzy ends down of my natural hair, but it made my curls revert and show through. So you guys skip this section, but I wanted to add it in just in case that you guys are thinking about doing it. Add a wax and not a mousse. So going on, next I'm going to lay my edges, and I'm using I can't remember what edge control I'm using, but I'm loving this edge control. It was the first time that I used it. So I'm simply going to tie my hair down. This really helps my hair to stay flat in between the braids. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, the ends are not really showing anymore coming through the braids. And you guys, my edges was laid. I did not have to apply this edge control every day, which made it last a little bit longer. The box braid section lasts a little bit longer, and it looks very natural. This hair is 30 inches long, and the color 1B, as I stated. And I really love this style. It took me about 30 to 45 minutes to complete, and the style lasted three weeks. I took it down to 3 weeks, but I could have went 1 or 2 more weeks. So I'm just showing you guys you can pull it up by doing it this method with the loose braids in the front and in the back, and I can also pull the back up. And this is just a clip just to show you how long it is on me. I am 5'5". This hair is 30 inches long, so it came past my waist. So that's it, you guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a thumbs up and continue to watch more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.